Katipa, let's play glue song. Kapo, 4th fret. First chord ay ang A. 6 string X, 5 string open, then 2, 2, 2, open. Next, parang F sharp minor 7. Huwag mo nang aalisin tong A, 6 string 2nd fret. Okay, 6 string 2. Then X, and then 2, 2, 2. 0, open. Parang B9. O kaya B7, pwede rin. B7. Pero parang B9 talaga yung tunog niya eh. O X, 6 string X, 5th string 2, 4th string 1, and then 2, 2, open. Then next, ito pa rin yung iyong tipa, tatanggalin mo lang ang 4th string. Okay? Open 4th string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.